Today we are making zucchini bread. Fresh zucchinis out of the garden. We're going to chop them or grate them up in the food processor. And here's our ingredients: zucchini, baking powder, baking soda, eggs, pecans. We'll chop those up. Nutmeg, vanilla, cinnamon, flour, sugar, and vegetable oil. This is not one of your normal all-natural homestead kind of recipes. White flour, white sugar, vegetable oil. Not that great for you. Recipe book and our pans. We're fixing to get started. Alright, we're gonna chop the zucchini up. We're gonna put it in the food processor. It's gonna be loud in a minute, but I'm only gonna do one to show you, and then we're gonna turn the camera off and save time. So we have grated our zucchini, and so now we are going to start putting it together. We need 6 cups of flour,
because we're doubling the recipe.
While I'm doing this is a good way to use your big zucchini. That was number 5, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This recipe is a good way to use your big zucchini. That and zucchini relish, which will be another video for another time. So, there's the flour. Now, 2 teaspoons baking powder. And 2 teaspoons baking soda. Two teaspoons of the nutmeg and of the cinnamon. And 2 cups of our chopped pecans. I know I said earlier that this is not that great of a recipe for you. It really is good though. I just hit the pan. So we're going to put a well in the center, little hole, and add the rest of our ingredients. Alright, so now we're going to do the wet ingredients. We need to whisk our oil and eggs together and a few other things too. A lot of oil because we are doubling the recipe. That's 1.5 cups of oil and 6 eggs. Alright, now we're going to add
You see why we say it's not health food, but you also see why it's so good.
That's a lot of sugar. Alright, and now we're going to add 4 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I am reading the single batch recipe and have to remember to make it doubled. I like vanilla. Don't judge. Alright, we're going to put in 6 cups of our shredded zucchini. Okay, so now we are pouring all of our wet ingredients into our dry ingredients. We're going to stir it, put it in our loaf pans, and it can go in the oven.
That's a bowl full of yumminess.
There's a lot of stirring. Alright, now we're pouring it in to the pans. Letting Mom do this part because if I did, it'd be everywhere. Yummy. Zucchini bread. Alright, we're about to put these in the oven. They're going to go into a 350 degree oven for about an hour. Here is our 4 pans of zucchini bread. We greased the pans. So we'll be back in about an hour for the finished product. Hey guys, here is the finished product of our zucchini bread. Yum, yum, yum. We're going to let it cool as it is for 10 minutes. And then we are going to take it off and put it on the rack itself and let it cool for 10 minutes. Excited to dig into this. We eat it with sour cream, we eat it with cream cheese, we eat it plain. Whatever you want to put on it. Thank y'all for watching today. Stay tuned for more videos. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and our website, pemberleyfarm.weebly.com. Thank y'all for watching. Have a great day.